Hi there, I'm Ricardo Gomez, Fire Prevention Specialist with the Mount Vernon Fire Department. Today, I want to talk to you about the importance of being prepared when you're on the road. More specifically, having a car emergency kit with you at all times. Having a kit throughout the year is essential because you never know when you could find yourself in the middle of a disaster or your car could break down. There are pre-made kits that you can purchase or you can make your own. Regardless of what direction you choose to go, here are some must-haves. An ice scraper for when you need to scrape ice off of your windshield or off of your other windows. A collapsible shovel like this for when you need to dig snow from underneath your tires or you're stuck on the side of the road. A phone charger is a lifeline for when you need to call 911. A pair of work gloves or utility gloves in case your tire needs changing. Make sure you have a first aid kit, nothing too big, nothing too fancy, just the essentials. A flashlight with extra batteries for when you're stranded. A mix of small tools like a screwdriver and this tire pressure gauge are going to make your life easier. For your safety and the safety of others, reflective triangles like this or road flares are going to be essential. A portable tire inflator like this can plug into your car and blow up your tire in minutes. A collapsible funnel like this is great for refilling fluids. Everybody knows duct tape fixes everything, so make sure you have a roll. And of course, jumper cables, so you can jump start your battery or somebody else. We all know emergencies aren't planned, but you can be better prepared for when they do happen. Thanks for watching Prevention Education with Ricardo Gomez.